Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to push Colorado motor vehicle sales data analysis into GitHub. So in my previous video, I have shown you how to convert this into an image and how to push to Docker Hub. Now you will be seeing how to push these complete projects into GitHub. First of all, open your browser and login into GitHub. So I have already logged into my GitHub account. If you have not logged in, please log in into your account. So I have made dedicated video for sign up in GitHub account. Please check out that. And here in my GitHub account, I have no any repository was created. Hence, I will create a repository. The repository name is, I'll just give Colorado sales. In description, I just mentioned this is an machine learning project using Colorado car sales database. So I'll give like this, and initially I don't give any readme file to add. The reason is I'll give you later. So no git ignore, I'll tell you why. And choose visibility is public and add license, no license. Okay, if you have any one of these license, you can add here. So next, create repository. Once you just created, you will find the details of your complete repo, that is your repository link if you want in SSH or HTTP, and steps to upload or create or push an existing repository from the command line or create a new repository on the command line. These are steps. Right now in your Colorado data sales repository, you have no any files. Now I will show you how to upload these all files into GitHub. So first, open a PowerShell using toggle pan, then just press git init. This initializes all the necessary package for git. So here you can see, once you entered here, you can find all this thing as you. This means these files are untracked by GitHub. So to track by GitHub, you have to put this into a staging area where, so once you've done that, you have to git remote add origin to my repository. Means you copy and paste it. Once you do it, just enter git add. Now you can see the U file is added as A file. That is, these files are added to staging area. Still it has not pushed to your GitHub account. If you even refresh, you can't see any files over here. Okay, once you add this, you have to commit a message, that is git commit -yum initial commit. The git commit performs certain operation which is next step to the staging area. Here git commit -m means a message. You can enter whatever the message you want here. I have entered, this is an initial commit. Once you press enter, this added file is removed. That means you have successfully exported to the line of GitHub. Next, you have to give branching. Majorly in Git you will be having two branches, one is main and master, or else you can create multiple branches in the GitHub. We'll look into in future classes. Right now I'm going to create git branch -yum main. Okay, this is also done. The final step is to git push -new origin main. Once you enter, there is a fatal error. Let me check this. Actually the error is in my system. I have logged with different account. Here I have pushed to different account. So it asked me to add this account as my friend. I have done that, but majorly when you are uploading in your account, it will take in a single shot. Now I'll give git push -origin main. You can see this has uploaded successfully. So if you want to check this, if you come here and just refresh, you can see all the necessary file you will be having. If you want to add readme file, just click here, add readme, and write whatever you want to add about this project. This project is based on data analysis. Just press commit changes, and you have to give commit message so that you could understand what are all the changes you have made. If you want to give extended description, you can give the extended description. Just make commit changes. Once you click this, you can see the project detail. You can even make this more elegant with all the designs and features of this project. I'll make a dedicated video on git readme file for a separate project. You can see there. Then about this video, this is it for uploading a file or folders into GitHub. And one more thing is, here I have added requirements.txt. These are all the packages what are used in this project, and you have to mention this in requirement.txt. okay. And one more thing is, in gitignore I have mentioned necessary files: csv, docx, pdfs, pycache, report folder, something, and whatever you have in your folder that you don't want to upload to GitHub. You can see there is a sales data database in .csv file. I have ignored this CSV file, hence it has not uploaded in this GitHub. If I would have not done this, the CSV file would have uploaded into GitHub. So this is the use of .gitignore, to ignore the files whichever you want. So this is it guys, this is it about video. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys, thanks for watching.